Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion formulas. Let's dive right into the basics. Notion formulas are powerful tools that bring your databases to life, enabling dynamic calculations and smart text manipulation. To start, simply add a new formula property to any database. This opens up the formula editor, where you can craft expressions using existing properties, various functions, and logical operators. Remember to always check that your formula's output type aligns with what you want to achieve. Now, let's explore some of the most commonly used functions and operators. For numbers, you'll frequently use basic arithmetic like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When working with text, functions such as concat for combining strings, slice for extracting parts, and length for counting characters are incredibly useful. Conditional logic, often with if statements, lets your formulas make decisions, returning different outcomes based on specific conditions. Don't forget date functions for all your time-related needs. Ready to take your formulas to the next level? Advanced techniques involve chaining multiple functions together, allowing for intricate, multi-step calculations. You can also nest if statements, creating sophisticated conditional logic that addresses several different scenarios within one formula. For pattern matching in text, regular expressions, often used with the match function, are incredibly powerful. Furthermore, integrating rollup properties lets you aggregate and utilize data from linked databases directly within your formulas, opening up many possibilities. To ensure your formulas are robust and maintainable, here are some best practices. Always break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable segments. This makes development much easier. Utilize comments within your formulas to clearly explain your logic, which greatly improves readability for anyone, including your future self, who might edit them. Test your formulas incrementally, checking each part as you build to catch any errors early on. And remember, Notion's official documentation is an excellent resource for a complete list of functions and helpful examples.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.